Hello everyone, and welcome to VMware Explore 2025 here in Las Vegas. I'm Gregor, General Manager of OVHcloud US, and on behalf of our entire OVHcloud team, I want to say how truly honored we are to be part of this incredible event. At OVHcloud, we believe in the power of open, sustainable cloud infrastructure, but more than that, we believe in people. And that's what makes VMware Explore so special. It's where passionate technologists come together, not just to talk about innovation, but to build it, to test it, and to experience it. This year, we're proud to be the infrastructure partner powering VMware's legendary hands-on labs, which have become a cornerstone of the VMware Explore experience. Together with our longtime partner, VMware by Broadcom, we've worked behind the scenes to help bring these labs to life for you, the community that makes it all possible. These labs aren't just demos, they're opportunities. They're where new skills are forged, where innovation begins, and where ideas become actions. Our support for Explore extends well beyond the experience here in Vegas. As a VMware Cloud Service Provider Pinnacle partner, we're also here to support you following the event. Whether you're exploring modernizing and optimizing hybrid cloud environments or looking for ways to control costs and increase ROI, we're excited about what we can achieve together. So from all of us at OVHcloud, thank you for letting us be a part of your journey. Thank you for the trust, the curiosity, and the community spirit you bring to this event.